In this lecture, we will set up the foundation for our final project. Before we dive into the internal logic of the TrafficLight class, we need to define how our main program will interact with it. We'll start by defining the interface and the high-level structure of our Arduino sketch. Our TrafficLight class needs to be easy to use. The constructor will take 3 pins for red, yellow, and green. We also need a public update method that accepts a brightness value. This allows our main loop to drive the logic without knowing about the internal state machine. In our main.ino file, we include the necessary headers and instantiate our objects. We create a TrafficLight object on pins 11, 10, and 9, and a potentiometer on analog pin 0. This high-level view shows exactly what components our system uses. The loop function remains incredibly simple. We fetch the current brightness from the potentiometer and pass it to the TrafficLight's update method. This demonstrates the manager pattern. The main loop coordinates the flow of data between independent objects. By defining the interface first, we create a contract. As long as the update method exists and takes a brightness value, we can change the internal logic of the TrafficLight later without ever touching our main loop code again. With the main structure ready, it is time to build the engine. In the next lecture, 07.03, we will dive into the header and implementation to set up the TrafficLight class and its internal LED components. See you there.